now, bring it down slowly. Watch the starboard side.
Watch the rear quarter, easy now. Got it, steady on the front.
This is unprecedented. The salt water has completely crystallized the chassis.
And this panel near the wheel well is completely...
The bent chrome and missing paint tell a story of neglect. The rust has truly taken hold of this once proud muscle car.
The corrosion here is extensive. We need to reinforce the frame before we even think about the new block.
Agreed. I'll start the detailed bore scope inspection now. See this part here, we can restore.
Okay, I'll hit that with the yellow.
Okay.
But this axle right here, that's definitely a replace.
Look at the penetration here. The marine corrosion has completely compromised the integrity of this weld.
And the stress fracture runs all the way up the rail.
The alignment is definitely off here.
Yeah, the scanner confirms the bend is significant.
Protective coating applied to restored chassis. Matte finish spreads evenly. This prevents future rust. Cinematic tracking shot along frame shows progress clearly.
Look at how far this goes into the structure. It's completely shot. We'll have to fabricate this whole section. The rust on the frame is extensive, especially near the mounting points.
Noted. We're looking at significant panel replacement here.
Looks like a perfect match to the factory specs.
The alignment is spot on. Great work.
this wire brush is getting the heavy stuff off.
Careful with the chemical spray near the bottom.
The pitting around this mount is really deep.
The run out on cylinder 4 is almost 3 thousandths.
That's pushing the service limit.
What about the pitting? Easy, easy. Watch the mounting point on the passenger side.
Got it. Looks aligned now.
All right, set her down slowly. Fuel system restored, tank cleaned, lines replaced where corroded. Camera focuses on careful handling, no rushed work.